Today, let's find out how to find the molecular mass of barium bromide. Let's use this table. Take a look. Bam! So the first thing is I'm going to write down the elements I see in the compound. So I have barium, Ba, and I have bromine, Br. Next is going to be to identify the number of atoms of each element in the compound. So that's where the subscripts come into play. At the bottom of barium, there is an invisible one. So that means that there's one atom of barium in barium bromide. And at the bottom of bromine, there is a 2. So there are 2 atoms of bromine. Next, we're going to take those number of atoms and multiply it by the mass of each particular element. Now, this is where the periodic table comes into play. This is where we find the masses. So let's take a look. These masses here at the bottom of barium, 137.33, and barium, 79.90, represent either gram per mole if you're finding molar mass, or AMU if you're finding molecular mass. All right, so let's write those values down. So for barium, we have a value of about 137.33. And then for bromine, we have a value of about 79.90. Then what we're going to do is we're going to simply take those values and multiply them together. So one atom of barium multiplied by the mass of barium gives us the total mass of barium in the compound, or in other words, 137.33 units of mass. Then, since I have 2 bromines, I'm going to take it and multiply by the mass of each bromine to find the total amount of bromine, which then works out to be about 159.8. And then to find the total mass of the compound, just add these two together, right? Nice and simple, 200 and then 97.13. And since we're solving for molecular mass, the units down here are going to be in terms of AMU, or aka atomic mass units. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to find the molecular mass of barium bromide. Thanks so much for tuning in. Consider subscribing and liking if you want to help us out. All right, and even telling your friends, that'd be the best way. All right, we appreciate it. We hope to see you soon. Take care.